It's all about the schwa. In this series, I want to show you how so many different words can be replaced by the schwa sound. Listen to this. Coulda, coulda. What do you think I'm saying? What words am I saying? Coulda. Now, I can't answer that question without putting those words into a sentence. Listen to this. Coulda do it? Coulda do it? Coulda do it? Coulda do it? Okay. I coulda done it. Coulda done it. Coulda done it. I coulda done it. Coulda. What am I saying in those two sentences? Coulda do it? Question. Coulda do it? I coulda done it. I coulda done it. Okay. Let me know in the comments, what was I saying?